Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Cat plus ill, cattle. Dry plus V, drive. Cattle drive. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Have a nice trip? Yes, I did. Good morning and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We have two returning veterans coming back to compete this morning on our program. And as you can see, each of them is vulnerable because each contestant has a strike against him. The young man on my right is a student. His name is Brad Topliff, and he has won close to $8,000 in prizes. Let's hear it for him. Man on my left, single also. His name is Stephen Glass, and he has won close to $5,500 in prizes. So this game today is the tiebreaker and is an important one. Good luck to you both. Take a look over here at one of the prizes.
LeBlanc's Vito brand Dazzler clarinet looks as lively as it sounds. 6 brilliant colors add bright new dimensions to your music. Furnished by LeBlanc Alley.
I suppose it helps if you can play. Brad and Stephen, here's where you're going to find the clarinet. Number 12, A Holiday in Mexico, a Mexico cruise.
Right.
And Brad, you get to go first.
I would love to go to Mexico. Let's see if we can find Mexico under number 25.
Motorcycle.
That'd be nice. That'd be nice. I'd love to scoot around on that. Let's see if there's a match for that on number 1.
No match. Red take. Stephen.
Okay, we're going to try to get Mexico right off the bat. How about number 18?
Maple Butcher Block.
Okay, not quite Mexico, but we'll try to match it under number 3.
Outdoor Gas Barbecue. No match.
Okay.
Brad.
Okay, let's find a wild card on number 5.
His and her gift basket.
Well, that's not bad. Let's see if we can find a match for that on number 21.
Going to the diagonals. No match.
Take.
Stephen?
Okay, let's try to match. How about number 4?
Cruise to Mexico.
I'd love to see that match under number 15. Oh.
Diamond bracelet. Didn't work. Brad.
We've seen a lot of prizes here, so all I need is a wild, and I can pick some of them up. Let's see if we can find a wild under number 11.
Yeah.
There it is. Now you have the world in your arms. What are you going to go for?
I think I'm going to go for number 4.
Cruise to Mexico? Woo! Sounds good to me. The other cruise on the board right here. Number 6. Let's open up 3 panels for Brad Topliff. Pick again.
All right, let's find, there's got to be some more wilds up there. Maybe one under number 13.
Food processor.
Another good thing to cook while you're in college. Let's see if there's a match under number 20.
No, outdoor gas barbecue there. Stephen?
Okay, was the barbecue under number 18? No, that was the butcher block. Okay, let's try to match that up under number 22.
No, diamond bracelet. Brad?
Okay, I think that gas barbecue is under number 3. All right, and the match for that on number 20.
3 and 20 makes a match for Brad. Woo! And earns him another look at the puzzle. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 15.
Diamond bracelets.
Okay, I know I could get somewhere with that. My girlfriend would love that. Let's see if there's a match for the number 22.
Yes. Steve knew that. He thought when you started to talk about your girlfriend that it was because you had forgotten where the match could be made. Let's open up these 2 panels for Brad. Pick again.
Let's open up some of that puzzle under number 8.
Motorcycle.
And the match for that on number 25.
That's right. He's not giving you many opportunities, is he, Stephen?
Try to steal them away, though.
All right. Let's see what happens to the puzzle as these doors open up.
A meeting of the minds?
Is it a meeting of the minds?
Woo!
Yeah.
Much of a chance there.
Didn't? No. You were never in this game. All right, Brad, come on.
Go win the car. All right.
Let's go to the board.
All right, we got hey for meet, ink, meeting, off. The television is off right there. The mind, zzz, a meeting of the minds.
Meeting of the minds. Boy, you pulled that right out of thin air. There really wasn't enough. I was just being kind of casual about the game at that point because there was a lot of play left in it. And Stephen, of course, was hoping that you would finally make a mistake, not make a match, and he'd get into it. Well, it popped into your mind, and it means bad news for Stephen because he gets his second X.
Had a great time, though, Alex.
He's going away with $1,400 in cash and a total of $5,482 in prizes. So congratulations,
thank you,
Stephen.
Great time.
So long. Take care.
Good luck, Brad.
And good luck in Vegas. All right, Brad, you had some prizes up there. Let's hear about them right now. Gene, if you will.
An outdoor gas barbecue, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select an outdoor gas barbecue or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise. And a motorcycle. It's time to declare your independence on a Honda NS50F. A sporty motorcycle that's comfortable and easy to operate. It's got a style all its own, is easy to park, and is a lot of fun, too. And a diamond bracelet. A fashionable 14-karat gold tennis bracelet with 62 round diamonds, each hand set in 4 prongs. 1 carat total weight from the Michael C. Fina Company. And a cruise to Mexico.
Yes.
You'll spend 4 days on Norwegian Cruise Line southward to Mexico, the perfect getaway from everyday cares. A few days aboard can relax you like a 2-week vacation on land, furnished by Norwegian Cruise Line. And this is a prize package worth $4,550.
Yes. You won 2 games and over $12,000 in prizes. You've won a holiday on the Big Isle of Hawaii. You've won a Mexican cruise. I hope you enjoy going to sun-filled places.
Well, you know, I kind of do.
Kind of do. Have you been anywhere so far in your life? How old are you?
21.
21.
I've been to Hawaii a couple times, but I've been to Mexico. I've seen it all, but I'd like to see some more of it.
Did you get that, folks? I've seen it all.
I've seen it all. 21 years old.
Seen it all at 21, but he wants to see it again. And he wants to win a new car. Can he do it? You'll find out after the break. Well, this is kind of strange. Gene was making fun of my mustache during that commercial break. I don't fancy that at all.
I like your mustache.
Thank you, Brad.
It's slipping now.
No, it's not. It is not slipping. It's an optical illusion because I have white hairs that grow in bunches in certain spots, and it gives it a strange look. It looks as if the mustache disappears when in actual fact it's a whole bunch of white hairs. You see it now?
I see that.
Good. 21-year-old insulting the host of one of America's most popular television quiz shows just because he's won $12,000 in prizes. And I'm on salary. Okay, Brad, you ready to do it?
I'm ready.
Good luck. Here are the 15 numbered squares, and you're dealing with 40 seconds on the clock this time. Off you go.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No again.
7, 9.
No.
10, 12.
No.
7, 12.
Yep.
13, 15.
Nope.
2, 5.
No.
10, 5.
Right.
3, 6.
No.
8, 13.
No.
1, 8.
Yes.
14, 15.
No.
2, 14.
He said 15.
Yeah.
Made it tough.
2, 15.
2:15. No.
2, 9.
No.
14, 9.
No.
No.
The man's got to you. Oh, Pontiac.
Okay.
That's okay, he says. Hey,
I got a chance to insult the host, and
Yeah, and you got a chance to play again, and you won $12,324 in prizes. For a 21-year-old student, that's very good going. We'll be back with a new player right after this. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to game number 2. We are delighted to be able to introduce a new contestant on our program, and her name is Nina Cutler. Tell me about your background. Where are you from? What do you do?
I'm originally from New York, but I've been here almost all my life. Grew up in West LA, and I'm currently a student at SCI-Arc, Southern California Institute of Architecture.
Oh, with a view to becoming a full-fledged architect, or you're going to specialize in one area of design?
A full-fledged architect. Right now I work for a firm that specializes in low-income housing, which I'm very interested in.
Good for you. Good for you. All right. Well, you're going against another student, as you know.
I know.
A film major. Take a look over here. I'm sure if you guys are thinking about furnishing a new home, this would come in handy. Very handy.
Ashley's country-style dinette collection, made of all wood construction and designed in a distinctive two-tone finish to add charm to any decor. Furnished by Ashley. And when you have a box of creamettes, you have dozens of meals at your fingertips. Creamettes, there's a lot to like in a little green box.
A lot to like in a little green box. Thank you, Gene, Nina, and Brad. Take a look over here, and we will show you where that prize, the dinette collection with the creamettes included, is at number 25. Now we have, because this is game number 2, as you know, we have the 5 bonus car seconds. We have the cash pot. It has moved up to $600. And we have a Nassau Beach Resort vacation. And just one wild card to contend with. And Nina, you have the honor of selecting first.
Okay, Alex, I'm going to start right in the middle, number 13.
Strobe-free. Nina says 13 and finds a diamond and sapphire ring.
Which sounds great. Okay, I'm going to go for match or the one wild card under number 11.
1-1, sofa. No match. Brad.
I could use a sofa for my new apartment. Let's see if there's a wild card or a sofa under number 10.
Green take.
Maybe a match for that under number 21.
Green take. Boy, look at that. You know, it occurs to me.
I wish I won the trip to Vegas.
Yeah, but you've been doing something on our program with amazing consistency, and that is coming up with natural matches. Have you noticed that?
I'm a matchmaker.
Yeah, you are, indeed. Indeed. Open these 2 doors for Brad. Can he solve this puzzle? Do it now, Brad. Blow everybody away.
Oh, I almost had it.
I know, I was kidding. Occupied all the time.
Okay, let's try up at the top at number 1.
Washer and dryer.
I love to do laundry. Let me see if I can find a match for that on number 20.
Red tape. Nina, did you believe him when he said he loved to do laundry?
No, he didn't sound convincing at all.
Yeah, right. As a future film director, he'd better work on his mendacity and his acting. Yes. Nina, select 2 numbers.
Okay, I'm going to start off with number 22. Maybe I can go for a natural match, just like Brad's been doing. Number 4.
5 bonus seconds, no match. Brad?
I'd like to feel secure if I could find one of those under number 24.
Men's complete wardrobe.
I know I could use that. Let's see if there's a wild card or a match under number 7.
Nassau Beach Vacation. That is not a match, but we've got 1/2 of the trip there.
I want the beach vacation. I'm going to look under number 19.
Men's complete wardrobe.
Which we just saw, and I don't remember where.
Hurry.
Number 5.
Nope, that's the cash pot. Brad?
I think that the men's wardrobe was under number 24.
Yes.
Okay, and the match under number 19.
19. It was right below it, Nina. You selected 19.
So close.
If you had dropped down, yeah, you remembered seeing it, but what you have to do is try to remember in what area of the board you saw it. Then you can make an educated guess. Let's open the 2 panels for Brad. Select again.
Okay, let's just go somewhere we haven't seen yet. Maybe number 12.
Cash pot.
Excellent. And the match for that on number 5.
Contestants usually remember exactly where they saw the cash and the trips. Those are 2 elements that figure prominently in their considerations. 2 doors opening up for Brad. Pick again.
Let's try to figure out what some of those symbols are. Maybe under number 9.
Sofa.
I think the match for that was under number 11.
Sofa. Yeah, right? I can't tell if Nina's having a good time, but she is studying the puzzle very carefully, and that may work in her favor in a few minutes if Brad makes a mistake. Open these panels.
Bottom of the news.
Is it bottom of the news? No, it is not. Select again.
Let's try a number that we haven't seen yet, again, at number 22.
Home security system.
I think the match for that was under number 23.
No, but it's a wild card. I think the home security system revealed a little while ago was at number 22. The other one is at number 18. Okay. So 3 doors opening up for Brad. Take a look. Pick again.
Okay, it still looks a little confusing to me. Let's see if there's something revealing under number 8.
Dinette collection.
I don't think we've seen that, so I'll go somewhere we haven't seen. Number 3.
Nope. Diamond and sapphire ring. Nina, how say you?
Oh my gosh. Okay, we have seen the diamond and sapphire ring. Number 13 and number 3. For the
Well,
match.
we've seen it now, haven't we? Well done, Nina. Let's see what you can do with the puzzle. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 6
5 bonus seconds.
and number 4.
5 bonus car seconds. Right. Take a look. Take again.
Number 20, please.
Red take.
And number 16.
Nassau Beach vacation. Brad.
I think the match for that vacation was under number 7
Yes.
and number 16.
16 is right. Now, you have the tape. She has a ring, but she has 5 bonus seconds. Big decision for
I
you.
think I'm going to
now.
take the bonus seconds.
Yeah? You want to do it now?
Yeah.
All right. The bonus seconds are coming his way. He's leaving Nina with just the diamond and sapphire ring. Can Brad win the game right now?
Is it but the times?
Is it but the times? Nope, but there's the bell. Hands on your buttons. Let's see who's going to win this. You can ring in when the green light goes on. We'll start revealing. Number 1, 2, 8, 14, 15, 17, 20, and 25. Nobody's ringing in, so let me help you. The arrows are pointing at a particular part of the baby. It could be called a butt. It could be called something else. Brad.
Bottom the times?
Is it bottom the times? No. Nina, would you like to venture a solution?
Bottom the headlines.
Is it bottom the headlines? No, it is not. Hands on the buttons. The arrows are pointing at the babies behind. Brad's in first.
Behind the times.
Behind the times. Yes, come on, Brad. Finally got there. Explain it now. It's easy.
This one just had me going. It's not a bottom, it's a butt, it's a behind. Behind the times.
Yeah. You're
Moving on.
and you're always playing with the babies behind. All right, Nina, 1 strike only. We'll see you in the next game.
I'll be back.
Brad, a lot of prizes coming your way. Gene's going to tell you about them right now. Go, Gene.
A cash pot worth $600 and the man's complete wardrobe. Botany 500 apparel and accessories, a full range of fashionable clothing for today's man from head to toe and for indoors and outdoors, furnished by Botany 500. And a home security system. Dynamark Security Center's Olympic 17 intrusion and fire protection system. Wireless radio technology, flexibility and convenience protect your home and family, furnished by Dynamark. And a sofa, the Lazy Boy Signature 2 sofa, distinctively tailored, elegantly styled, plus the comfort and quality you expect, furnished by Lazy Boy. And a Nassau Beach vacation. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Miami. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Sheraton Grand Hotel on Paradise Island in the Bahamas. Sunny beaches, water sports, outstanding dining and entertainment furnished by the Sheraton Grand Hotel on Paradise Island. And the 5 bonus car seconds, a prize package totaling $8,590.
Big win again for Brad in the car round right after this. All right, let's do it. Here are the numbered squares. Here's the clock. 45 seconds, but you won 5 bonus seconds, so you're dealing with 50. Go for it, Brad.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No.
7, 9,
Nope.
10, 12,
No.
5, 8,
No.
12, 14,
No.
4, 14,
Yep.
13, 15,
No.
2, 12,
No.
3, 9,
No.
8, 3,
Right.
9, 15,
No.
10, 12,
No.
11, 12,
No.
7, 15,
No.
12, 7.
No. Yeah.
1, 15. No. 10, 1.
No rhythm. No rhythm, Brad, but that's okay. You've won a lot. 20,914. That's your total to this point. Break time for us. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive Imperial wall coverings. To make a dramatic difference in your home, choose from more than 57 collections. Coordinating borders and wallpaper furnished by Imperial Wall Covering. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
See you tomorrow.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.